It was just last month that we told you about some groundbreaking health news that could really impact millions of Americans. Researchers are working to develop a vaccine to prevent breast cancer. The vaccine has been in development for more than a decade. Researchers are now asking for permission from the FDA to test it on women. That could take, we're told, at least 2 years. And if the vaccine works in trials, it could be on the market 10 years from now. Can you believe that? We're joined right now by Dr. Vincent Tuohy over at the Cleveland Clinic, the main researcher on this incredible vaccine. Hello, Dr. Tuohy.
Hi, Sean. Thanks for having me on.
Well, this must be, I'm just trying to fathom, 10 years you worked on this. 10 years ago, did you think this vaccine would be where it is today?
Actually, it was 2002. We started this whole project as a back burner project, and then it started to impress us, and we moved it forward on the front burners. And right now, we've just recently announced the formation of a company around the actual clinical application of this vaccine. So I really didn't imagine this at the beginning, but I'm very happy it happened.
Well, is this vaccine, can it prevent all types of breast cancer or just certain types? Do we know yet?
We don't think it'll prevent all types of breast cancer, but we do believe that it will target the more lethal forms of breast cancer, particularly a form of breast cancer called triple-negative breast cancer. And the focus of our clinical prevention and our clinical treatment, because we do think it can be used to prevent the recurrence of this form of breast cancer in women who have already been diagnosed with it. So our target is the more lethal forms. Triple-negative breast cancer is a very devastating form, very aggressive form of breast cancer that's very commonly occurs in women with the BRCA1 mutations like Angelina Jolie.
Well, can I ask you, what's next? I know that you're seeking permission from the FDA. How long could that take? Do you have any idea?
Well, we anticipate, and this is all anticipation, that it'll probably take about 2 years just to get permission from the FDA to use our vaccine in clinical trials. And the early clinical trials are what we call phase 1, and these are designed not to determine whether the vaccine is effective, but to determine whether what the dose of the vaccine, the optimal dose of the vaccine would be, and whether it has what its safety profile is. So we have to first find out whether the vaccine, what dose to give, and exactly whether or not the vaccine is safe. Those trials will probably begin in 2 years and take another 3 years to continue.
It's just so exciting. Such wonderful work you guys are doing right now at the Cleveland Clinic. Thank you so much, Dr. Tuohy, for joining us here on Midday.
Well, thank you very much for your interest. Thank you.